Is your office setup feeling a little outdated? Or maybe you're just looking for the perfect gadgets to boost your productivity and comfort? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 must-have Amazon gadgets that will completely upgrade your office setup. From game-changing tech to sleek accessories, we've got everything to take your workspace to the next level. But here's the kicker, you won't believe what we've saved for the number 1 spot. It's something every office needs. So, make sure you stick around till the end, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay in the loop with all the best finds for your workspace. Let's jump in and create your ultimate office. Number 10. Ysagi Leather Desk Pad Protector. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Ysagi Leather Desk Pad Protector. Picture this, you walk into your office, and the first thing you notice is your sleek, stylish desk mat. It's not just a pretty face, this pad protects your desk from scratches and spills while providing a smooth surface for writing or typing. Imagine sipping your morning coffee and accidentally knocking over your mug, no worries. This mat has got your back. Available in various colors, it adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. Plus, it's easy to clean, just wipe it down, and you're good to go. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. Number 9. Roko Ergonomic Mouse Pad with Gel Wrist Support. At number 9, we have the Roko Ergonomic Mouse Pad with Gel Wrist Support. Imagine this, you're deep into a project, fingers flying across the keyboard, when suddenly, you feel that familiar ache in your wrist. After hours of clicking away, discomfort can sneak up on you. Enter this mouse pad. With its soft gel wrist support, it cradles your wrist comfortably while you work. It's designed to reduce strain and keep you focused on what matters, getting things done without discomfort. Say goodbye to those pesky wrist pains and hello to a more comfortable work experience. Number 8. Genuinefred Desk Dumpster Pencil Holder. Coming in at number 8 is the quirky Genuinefred Desk Dumpster Pencil Holder. Let's face it, office supplies can be boring, but this little guy adds some fun to your desk. Shaped like a mini dumpster, it holds all your pens and pencils while bringing a smile to your face every time you reach for a writing tool. Picture yourself in a meeting, and someone asks for a pen. Instead of pulling out a plain old holder, you proudly present your dumpster. It's not just practical, it's a great conversation starter that keeps your desk organized in style. Number 7. Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Notebook. At number 7, we have the Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Notebook. Imagine being able to take notes during meetings and then simply wipe them clean when you're done. This notebook connects with an app that allows you to scan and save your notes digitally before erasing them with a damp cloth. Picture this, after an intense brainstorming session, instead of tossing out pages of notes, you just wipe them clean and start fresh for the next meeting. It's perfect for those who want to reduce paper waste while keeping their notes organized and accessible. Talk about eco-friendly innovation. Number 6. Hanano Adjustable Laptop Stand. Number 6 on our list is the Hanano Adjustable Laptop Stand. Picture this, you're working from home, and after a few hours hunched over your laptop, your back starts to ache. You know that feeling, you're trying to focus on that important report but can't shake off the discomfort. This stand elevates your laptop to eye level, promoting better posture and reducing strain on your neck and back. Imagine being able to work comfortably for hours without that nagging pain. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move wherever you need it, perfect for those who like to switch up their workspace. Number 5. Edifier R980T Bookshelf Speakers. At number 5 are the Edifier R980T Bookshelf Speakers. Imagine filling your office with rich sound while you work or unwind during breaks. You've got your favorite playlist ready to go or maybe an inspiring podcast queued up. These speakers deliver impressive audio quality without taking up too much space on your desk. With classic wood finish and easy connectivity options, they not only sound great but look fantastic too, perfect for music lovers who want to enhance their listening experience. Whether you're working or relaxing, these speakers will elevate any moment. Number 4. Wakao Mini Presso Espresso Maker. Coming in at number 4 is the Wakao Mini Presso Espresso Maker, a must-have for coffee lovers. Picture yourself at work craving that rich espresso shot but stuck with only instant coffee options. The struggle is real. With this hand-powered espresso maker, all you need is hot water and coffee grounds. In just minutes, you can brew delicious coffee anywhere, no electricity required. Imagine enjoying freshly brewed espresso right at your desk during those long workdays when you need a little pick-me-up. It's like having your own personal barista. Number 3. Turtle Shell 2.0 Bluetooth Speaker. Taking our third spot is the Turtle Shell 2.0 Bluetooth speaker. Imagine hosting an impromptu office party or just wanting some tunes while you work. This rugged speaker has got you covered. With its water-resistant design and impressive sound quality, it's perfect for outdoor meetings or just jamming out during breaks. Picture this. It's Friday afternoon, everyone's wrapping up their week when someone brings out this speaker. It instantly turns into an office dance party. Plus, with up to 16 hours of playtime on a single charge, it'll keep the music going all day long. Number 2. Fire TV Stick Light. At number 2 is the Fire TV Stick Light. Picture yourself settling down after a long day at work. Instead of scrolling through endless channels trying to find something good to watch, you simply say, "Alexa, play my favorite show," and instantly access all your streaming services right on your TV screen. Whether it's binge-watching shows or catching up on movies with family or friends after work hours, this little device transforms any TV into an entertainment hub, all for under $50. It's like having a movie theater right in your living room. Number 1. Goobic LED Strip Lights. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 are the Goobic LED Strip Lights. Imagine transforming your office into a vibrant space that reflects your mood or inspires creativity. Whether you're hosting friends for game night or just winding down after work with some relaxing music, these customizable lights can change colors based on music or set the perfect ambience for any occasion, all controlled from an easy-to-use app on your phone. They're perfect for setting the vibe during parties or creating a relaxing atmosphere while unwinding after a long day. And there you have it, our top 10 Amazon gadgets to take your office setup to the next level. Which one are you excited to add to your workspace? Or maybe you've already got some of these in your office? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips, gadgets, and office upgrades. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.